Welcome to the February edition of Drone News Express. In this episode, we bring you the latest developments, cutting-edge innovations, and key updates from the world of drones. I'm Paulomi, your guide to the latest updates from Drone Helpline. Here are the top 20 major updates from the drone ecosystem. HPCL invests 2 crore rupee in IIT Kanpur incubated Maraal Aerospace under HP Udgam to support indigenous aerospace and clean energy innovation. AQUAAIRX Autonomous Systems raises 12.5 crore rupee in seed funding led by Rainmatter to boost autonomy and R&D. It also unveils AVATAAR, an autonomous air-to-underwater platform-cutting maritime surveillance, costs by up to 70%. Bengaluru-based UAV battery startup Dreamfly Innovations raises Rs 3 crore in non-dilutive ventures debt by SIDBI. Elbit Systems partners with Lowental Hybrid to integrate native parallel hybrid propulsion, extending UAV endurance up to 5-fold. Indian Army selects Shield AI's VBAT UAS with Hivemind autonomy software to boost AI-enabled ISR for contested battlefields. At Wings India 2026, Sarla Aviation and India One Air signed MOU to advance regional air mobility through operational and safety data collaborations. Automotive Research Association of India accredited by Quality Council of India to assess drones under the certification scheme for unmanned aircraft systems. National Test House signs MOU with STQC's ARTL North to enable EMI or EMC testing of drones. MHA releases Prahar, India's national anti-terror doctrine addressing drones, cyber threats and critical sector security. IOCL showcases lightweight hydrogen pressure regulator for hydrogen-powered drone platform at India Energy Week 2026. India's New Space Research debuts Shishnak 150 long-range loitering munition with 1,000+ kilometer range and 25 to 40 kg payload as a cost-effective deep strike option at World Defence Show. Ahmedabad-based Cligent Aerospace develops electric STOL aircraft to support regional and coastal advanced air mobility. SkyTen integrates SATCOM on Raybird UAV, enabling beyond line-of-sight reconnaissance operations. UK's Dragonfire laser weapon successfully tests drone engagement set for 2027 naval deployment. Russia offers India tech sharing and co-development for Su-57E fighter and S-70 UCAV. General Atomics' Mojave combat drone successfully demonstrates armed strike capability in US live fire test. The E-plane company plans to use NVIDIA Omniverse and IGX to digitally twin and virtually validate its E200X electric air taxi before its first flight. Southern Command develops indigenous SOM long-range surveillance drone with real-time ISR capability, 30-kilometer range and 120-minute endurance. Techsman Foundation, IIT Dhanbad and RF Unmanned Systems signs MOU at 3/2026 to set up Aerial Intelligence and Mining Center of Excellence. Chidambaranar Port Authority partners with Cell to deploy a 5-kilometer range integrated anti-drone system for enhanced coastal security. We hope that you have liked our video, viewers. If you did, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And for more such drone updates from all over the world, keep watching Drone Helpline.